Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I've got 4 side hustles that no one is talking about that can earn you $900 or more per day with little to no skill. All you have to do is pick up one of these ideas and put it into action. Every day, Americans throw away nearly 5 pounds of trash per person. And all this trash ends up in your trash cans, where a garbage truck comes and picks it up. But there's always something left over after the trash has been taken to the trash can. Smelly garbage juice that attracts cockroaches, ants, raccoons, possums, and other rodents and pests that could eventually find their way into your home. And this is where you could come in at. You'd be shocked to learn that many people are willing to pay you a lot of money to pressure wash their trash cans once a month or even as frequently as once a week. The first thing you'll obviously need is a pressure washer. And the best part is you don't even need an expensive commercial pressure washer that'll cost you thousands of dollars. A simple 70 to 150 battery powered pressure washer will work just fine. You'll want to make sure you buy some type of pressure washer that has a soap attachment so you can spray soap onto the trash cans before you use them. In terms of equipment, that's really all you need to get started. The next step is to actually spread the word about your business. And there are a few different ways you can do this. You can post in local Facebook groups, Craigslist, or on websites like Nextdoor. Alternatively, you could also use some type of separate, inexpensive sprayer, but there's something else you should be doing if you want to get even more business. Making physical door hanger flyers. These are incredibly simple to make and can be purchased in bulk on sites like Vistaprint. 1,000 of these door hanging flyers can be purchased for 11 cents a piece, which means you can get 1,000 flyers for just $100. If you want to start with less, you can purchase as few as 50 for about 80 cents a piece. But obviously, the more you buy, the better the deal. In total, with the pressure washer and the flyers, you should only spend around $100 to $300 to get started, which isn't a lot of money considering how much money you can actually make with this side hustle. I've seen people charge around $65 for one trash can cleaning and around $35 monthly for trash can cleanings, plus an extra $10 for any additional trash cans they may need. I mean, imagine for 1 second that you clean 4 trash cans every hour for 8 hours straight. That's upwards of $1,100 or more per day. And you could only work a couple hours a day and easily make hundreds of dollars. Folks, this side hustle is incredibly easy and cheap to start. It requires zero skill and is a service that many people would pay for. A few years ago, I purchased a couple of pieces of artwork from Etsy, a stock market bull and a stock market bear, and I paid around $200 for this canvas artwork. The interesting part about this, what I found later, is that while yes, is original artwork, the seller isn't actually the one producing and shipping these large canvas paintings. Instead, they're using a print-on-demand service like Printify to do all the back-end work for them, because once this artwork is created, all they have to do is apply it to the canvas on Printify, link their Printify account to Etsy, and then every time someone buys one of these canvas paintings, the entire process from manufacturing to selling is repeated. Printify handles printing and shipping. This side hustle does not require you to create any hand paint or original work for yourself. Quotes on motivational remixes of famous pop culture icons or famous people, as well as public domain artwork, have all been proven to sell time and time again. Alternatively, you could go to a site like unsplash.com where all the images are completely free to use. Download a stylish image such as the city image, and then go to a site like Envato Elements, get a seven-day free trial, then download some Photoshop actions, which will transform your Unsplash images into impressionist artwork. Then you could take that into Printify and sell it as canvas artwork on your Etsy store. Or use this art scribble Photoshop action to turn your Unsplash images into scribble art, or any of those hundreds really unique Photoshop actions that can give your canvas artwork a very custom and unique feel. If you took the time to execute and act on that, I could easily see this ad hustle turning into a full-time business that earns you well over 6 figures a year. The next side hustle is completely unique, and I've never seen anything like it before. This could be the simplest way to make money online with very little effort. So think about every time you go to Amazon.com and shop. Sometimes you're just browsing through products because you're bored. Other times, if you're like me, you're always kind of searching for a specific product. And when you find a product, you see the image, you see the price, and you may go down and read the product description for the reviews. Now, here's something fascinating that literally nobody thinks about except for the few people who are making these videos. The creators who are making these reviews are getting paid to make these videos. Here's something that a lot of people don't actually know about. Every time somebody watches at least 30 seconds of these videos and then proceeds to buy the product or a similar product on Amazon, that creator will get a commission from the sale. So these headphones are most likely being purchased hundreds of thousands of times. And I would imagine that amongst those hundreds of thousands of sales, quite a few people are looking at the video reviews of the product before they make their purchase. And the craziest part is that nobody knows that this is a thing. So there's little to no competition. Amazon pays 2% commission rate on electronics. And while this may not seem like a lot of money, it quickly adds up. Imagine that out of 100,000 sales, 5,000 people watched your review video of the product before making their purchase, which means you could earn about 55,000 on this one product alone. Imagine how much you would earn if you had video reviews on 10, 20, 100 different products. AliExpress is a Chinese online retail store where you can buy heavily discounted products to sell at a much higher markup on sites like Amazon and Etsy. How exactly do you find these winning products on AliExpress? Well, you actually have to work backwards and decide whether you're going to sell on Etsy, Amazon, or both. And then, depending on the platform, you'll just have to find some research, do some research to figure out what products people are buying on a site like Amazon. You could certainly search through the top selling products in each category to see what's most popular. However, this is only one approach because there will be thousands of different products that technically are a top selling product, but still get tens of thousands of sales and can earn you well over 6 figures per year. So whether you're selling on Etsy or Amazon or both, you simply have to go through different categories and shuffle through dozens of different products and product categories to see what's selling the best, and it'll be pretty obnoxious. Once you found your product, it's time to set up your Etsy shop. Learn how to optimize your listings on Etsy by using SEO and good product images and potentially some money on pay-per-click ads to attract more customers and make more money. Now, this is the conclusion of my video. I hope you guys learned something. I truly appreciate each and every one of you for watching this video. I wish you a wonderful rest of your day or night. As always, hope to see you again soon. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back shortly.